Budapest is a grand old city, the capital of Hungary. It sits right in the heart of Europe. Many people call it the Pearl of the Danube, and honestly, it's for good reason. The mighty Danube River flows through its center, splitting the city into two distinct parts, Buda and Pest. Buda is hilly and historic, with its grand castle looking down from above. Pest, on the other hand, is flat and bustling, full of shops, restaurants, and beautiful government buildings. This combination really gives Budapest a unique character. You get two cities for the price of one, each with its own special feel. The history here is rich, and you can feel it in the old stones of the buildings and the gentle flow of the river. When you first arrive in Budapest, the sheer scale of its beauty can be, well, a bit overwhelming. The architecture is a stunning mix of different styles, from Gothic to Art Nouveau. Grand boulevards like Andrassy Avenue remind you of Paris. But Budapest has its own unique flavor. It's a city that has seen empires rise and fall, from the Romans to the Ottomans and the Habsburgs. Each has left its mark, creating a fascinating tapestry of culture and history. The people are proud of their city, and they have done a wonderful job preserving its heritage while embracing modern life. It's a place where you can explore ancient ruins in the morning and enjoy a trendy cafe in the afternoon. The city's atmosphere is both elegant and relaxed. You can spend your days getting lost in the winding streets of the Castle District or marveling at the magnificent Hungarian Parliament building. Then, as evening approaches, the city lights up, and the riverside comes alive with people strolling and enjoying the views. The thermal baths are another famous part of Budapest life, offering a chance to relax in naturally warm, mineral-rich waters. These baths have been a part of the city for centuries. This blend of sightseeing, relaxation, and history makes Budapest a destination that appeals to all kinds of travelers. It's a city that invites you to slow down and soak it all in. For any visitor, the experience of Budapest is deeply connected to its geography. The contrast between hilly Buda and flat Pest is fascinating. To truly understand the city, you must explore both sides. You can hike up Gellert Hill on the Buda side for breathtaking panoramic views of the entire city. Then, you can cross one of the famous bridges to the Pest side to wander through the Great Market Hall, a vibrant hub of local life. The public transportation is excellent, with trams, buses, and a historic metro system making it easy to get around. Budapest is a city that is meant to be explored, and every corner holds a new discovery. The Danube River is the lifeblood of Budapest. It is Europe's second longest river, and it plays a central role in the city's identity. For centuries, it was a major trade route, connecting Hungary with other parts of Europe. Today, it serves as a stunning backdrop for the city's most famous landmarks. The river separates the historic hills of Buda from the vibrant commercial center of Pest. This natural division has shaped the city's development and character over many centuries. Standing on the riverbank, you can see the best of Budapest reflected in the water. The river is not just a body of water, it is the heart of the city, a constant presence in the daily lives of its people. Walking along the banks of the Danube is one of the best ways to experience Budapest. On the Pest side, the Danube Promenade offers a wonderful path for strolling. You can walk from the iconic chain bridge all the way to the Elizabeth Bridge, enjoying uninterrupted views of Buda Castle and Gellert Hill. Along the way, you will find cafes, restaurants, and plenty of benches where you can sit and watch the riverboats go by. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists, especially in the evening when the city's lights begin to twinkle. You will also find the poignant shoes on the Danube Bank Memorial, a powerful reminder of a dark chapter in the city's history. River cruises are another fantastic way to see the city from a different perspective. You can take a boat tour during the day to learn about the history of the buildings you pass, or, for a truly magical experience, you can take an evening cruise. Seeing the Parliament building and Buda Castle illuminated at night from the middle of the river is an unforgettable sight. The bridges are also lit up, creating a golden glow across the water. These cruises often include dinner or drinks, making for a perfect romantic evening or a relaxing end to a day of sightseeing. The gentle movement of the boat and the stunning scenery make for a very special experience. The Danube is more than just a scenic feature. It is a place for recreation and relaxation. In the summer, people gather on Margaret Island, a large green oasis in the middle of the river. The island is car-free and has parks, gardens, a swimming pool, and a musical fountain. It's a perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city for a few hours. You can rent a bike, have a picnic, or just lie in the grass and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. The river brings nature right into the heart of the city, offering a space for people to connect with the outdoors and with each other. Perched high on a hill overlooking the Danube, Buda Castle is a symbol of Hungarian history and pride. This massive palace complex has been the home of Hungarian kings for centuries. The castle has a long and dramatic past. It was first built in the 13th century, but it has been destroyed and rebuilt many times throughout history, especially during wars and sieges. The version we see today is mostly a grand Baroque palace from the 18th century. Walking through its courtyards and gates feels like stepping back in time. It is not just one building, but a whole district of historic streets, museums, and beautiful buildings to explore. Today, Buda Castle is home to some of Hungary's most important cultural institutions. Inside the main palace, you will find the Hungarian National Gallery, which showcases Hungarian art from the Middle Ages to the present day. You can see beautiful religious paintings, impressive historical scenes, and modern masterpieces. Also within the castle complex is the Budapest History Museum, which tells the story of the city from Roman times onward. It's a great place to understand how Budapest became the city it is today. You can even explore parts of the medieval royal palace that were excavated underneath the current building, which is a fascinating journey into the past. Getting up to the castle is part of the fun. You can take a scenic walk up the hill, enjoying the changing views as you ascend. For a more unique experience, you can ride the historic Buda Hill funicular. This charming, old-fashioned railway has been carrying people up the steep hill since 1870. The short ride offers wonderful views of the Chain Bridge and the Pest side of the city. Once you reach the top, you are rewarded with some of the best panoramic views in all of Budapest. From the castle terraces, you can see the entire city spread out before you, with the Danube winding its way through the landscape. The area around Buda Castle, known as the Castle District, is a delight to explore on foot. Its cobblestone streets are lined with colorful, well-preserved medieval and Baroque houses. You can wander through these quiet lanes, discovering hidden courtyards and charming cafes. Be sure to visit Matthias Church, with its stunning patterned tile roof, and the nearby Fisherman's Bastion. The bastion looks like something out of a fairy tale, with its white stone towers and turrets offering incredible views of the Parliament building. The entire district is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's easy to spend a whole day getting lost in its historic beauty. While Buda has the castle, Pest has the energy. The Pest side of the Danube is where you will find the city's commercial and political heart. The grandest building here is the Hungarian Parliament building, a magnificent example of Gothic Revival architecture. It is the third largest parliament building in the world and is just as impressive on the inside as it is on the outside. Taking a guided tour is highly recommended to see its opulent interior, including the Holy Crown of Hungary. The area around the parliament is filled with government buildings, elegant squares, and important monuments. This part of the city feels grand and official, showcasing Hungary's national pride. The famous bridges of Budapest are more than just ways to cross the river. They are landmarks in their own right. The most iconic is the Széchenyi Chain Bridge, which was the first permanent bridge to connect Buda and Pest. It is guarded by stone lions at each end and is a beautiful sight, especially when it is lit up at night. Other important bridges include the elegant White Elizabeth Bridge and the Green Liberty Bridge, which has a more industrial Art Nouveau style. Walking across these bridges is a classic Budapest experience. It gives you a chance to see the city from the middle of the river and appreciate the different architectural styles of each bridge. A walk along the Danube is a journey through the city's soul. You can start your day with a coffee at a riverside cafe, watching the city wake up. During the day, you can browse for souvenirs at the Great Market Hall near the Liberty Bridge, where you can also try local foods like langos or goulash. In the afternoon, you might enjoy a leisurely stroll, stopping to admire the views or take photos. As evening falls, the atmosphere becomes magical. The lights from the buildings and bridges reflect on the water, creating a romantic and peaceful scene. It is a simple pleasure that captures the essence of what makes Budapest so special. In conclusion, Budapest's charm is undeniable. It is a city of stunning beauty, rich history, and a welcoming spirit. The combination of the majestic Danube River, the historic Buda Castle, and the lively Pest side creates a destination with endless things to see and do. Whether you are exploring ancient ruins, relaxing in a thermal bath, or simply enjoying a walk along the river, Budapest offers an unforgettable experience. It's a city that manages to be both grand and intimate, a place that will capture your heart and make you want to return. For a trip filled with culture, beauty, and relaxation, Budapest is a perfect choice.